All right, science fans, let's talk about something straight out of a sci-fi novel. Imagine a bee, yes, a regular honeybee, zipping through the air, but it's not just following its instincts. Instead, it's flying under direct human control, steered by a brain controller so tiny, it's lighter than the nectar that bee would normally carry home. This isn't some distant dream. Chinese scientists at the Beijing Institute of Technology, led by Professor Zhao Jiliang, have actually done it. They've created the world's lightest insect brain controller, a mere 74 milligrams, and they've used it to turn a bee into a real-life cyborg. So, how does it work? The device is strapped onto the bee's back, and 3 ultra-fine needles pierce into the bee's brain. That might sound intense, but what's happening is even more wild. The controller sends tiny electronic pulses to specific parts of the brain, creating sensory illusions. That's how the scientists can command the bee to turn left, turn right, move forward, or even back up. And get this, when tested, these cyborg bees followed orders with a 90% success rate. That's better obedience than most dogs. Now you might wonder, why a bee? Bees are nature's endurance champions. They can fly up to 5 kilometers without rest, and their lightweight build makes them perfect for carrying this high-tech gear. Plus, thanks to their natural colors and flight patterns, they blend right in. No clunky robot can match that. What's the big deal? Well, picture an earthquake zone, buildings collapsed, and survivors trapped where humans or robots can't reach. Enter the cyborg bee. It can squeeze through tiny gaps, scout the ruins, and potentially help rescuers find people faster than ever before. But rescue missions are just the start. There's talk about using these bees for covert surveillance, urban reconnaissance, counterterrorism, even tracking illegal shipments. It's a game changer for search and rescue, security, and maybe, just maybe, for privacy debates. Of course, there are challenges. Right now, the bee needs a wired power source. The batteries we have are just too heavy for such a small flyer, so truly wireless cyborg bees are still a work in progress. And scientists are still working on more precise controls. Right now, they can't manipulate the bee's legs or belly, and too many commands can tire out the insect. And then there's the ethics question. Are we okay with a future where insects could be spying on us? It's one of those just because we can, should we? Moments in science. Either way, the age of cyborg bees is here. Nature and technology are teaming up, and who knows where it'll lead next. I don't know about you, but I'll be watching the skies just a little differently from now on. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more bites of wild science. Catch you in the next one.